Steve Thomas here with SkipperBud's Yacht Center in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin, taking you through the 2017 Cruisers Yachts 338 South Beach Edition. This boat is powered by twin 6.2 liter V8 Volvo Joystick piloting. Those 6.2 liter engines are closed cooling. Right away at the transom, you'll see underwater lights. This boat is freshwater only. Starting out on the swim platform, you'll notice gray SeaDeck throughout. The aft sunbed is electrically retractable, so it'll lay flat. Great sunning area. Walk through transom, you'll notice right away cockpit refrigerator behind the helm seat. The port side seat here will flip perpendicular so it can be forward facing. Great for when you're underway, and then maybe flip it in this position to be more of a sociable setup when you're at the dock or at anchor. Flip up bolsters on both of these seats. Give a little bit of extra comfort when you want to ride above the windshield. Docking is very easy. The Volvo Joystick. GPS depth finder. Only 117 hours on this boat. It does have captain's call thru-hull exhaust, so you can choose to make it a little bit more muscle car aesthetic. Just a tremendous amount of seating up here. Volume controls for your audio system. It is a Rockford Fosgate system. Sounds great. This cockpit table here is hidden underneath this cushion and can be removed to make just a little bit more seating. Best seat in the house up here when you're underway. You'll also find an electric windlass through stem hidden underneath the hatch. Upholstery's in great shape. We'll head down below. All right, we've got a center entry down to the cabin. There is stand-up headroom down below. One of the best design features of this boat is that you will find the head is separate from the cabin, so you have your own private head. Power panel here. There is an inverter system and air conditioning down below in the cabin. And then your centerpiece here, center cushion, slides out. To extend that bed to really sleep too comfortably. Thank you for taking a minute. Look forward to hearing from you. Please let us know how we can help.